Have you ever wished you could gain more control over your body's response to stress? With biofeedback, you can. It's a technique that trains people to improve their health by becoming more aware of their body's functions. By learning to control these functions, you can change how your body responds to stress and anxiety. When we experience stress, our bodies go into fight or flight mode. But what if we could learn to shift back into calm? In this video, we'll explore the power of biofeedback in managing stress and anxiety. If you're ready to unlock your inner calm and take control of your well-being, then let's dive in. Biofeedback therapy uses electronic sensors to measure and provide feedback about your body's physiological functions. These sensors pick up on changes in your body, like heart rate, muscle tension, and brain waves, and translate them into signals you can understand. By seeing or hearing these signals in real time, you become more aware of how your body responds in different situations. Over time, you learn to consciously control these functions, retraining your body to respond in healthier ways. For example, biofeedback can teach you to relax specific muscle groups, reducing tension headaches, or controlling your breathing to manage anxiety. When we experience stress and anxiety, our sympathetic nervous system triggers the fight or flight response. Biofeedback therapy counters this by tapping into the parasympathetic nervous system, our body's natural relaxation response. By teaching us to control functions like breathing and muscle tension, biofeedback strengthens the mind-body connection. It empowers us to recognize early signs of stress and intervene before they escalate. Instead of feeling at the mercy of our anxiety, we become active participants in our own well-being. Biofeedback therapy uses various types of equipment to measure and provide feedback on physiological processes. Electromyography, EMG sensors measure muscle tension by detecting electrical activity in muscles, helpful for conditions like tension headaches and back pain. Electroencephalography, EEG sensors measure brainwave activity, providing insights into mental states and helping manage anxiety and sleep disorders. Galvanic skin response, GSR sensors measure sweat gland activity, indicating emotional arousal. Heart rate variability, HRV, sensors measure the variation in time between heartbeats, indicating stress or relaxation. These sensors help you become aware of subtle changes in your body. By understanding these signals, you can learn to control your physiological responses. This can lead to improved health and well-being. A typical biofeedback session is a collaborative experience between you and a trained therapist. You'll discuss your concerns and goals, and the therapist will determine the most appropriate sensors to use. Once the sensors are in place, you'll see or hear your physiological responses in real time. The therapist will guide you through relaxation techniques, helping you learn to control your physiological responses. The goal is to bring your body into a more relaxed and balanced state. Biofeedback therapy is effective for managing stress and anxiety by addressing our body's physiological response. By regulating functions like breathing and muscle tension, biofeedback helps break free from chronic stress. Techniques like diaphragmatic breathing and progressive muscle relaxation are often used. As you become more attuned to your body's signals, you can intervene with relaxation techniques before symptoms escalate. Over time, you'll develop a personalized toolkit to manage stress and anxiety in your daily life. The effectiveness of biofeedback therapy is evident in countless real-life success stories. Sarah, a young professional, struggled with performance anxiety. Through biofeedback, she learned to control her breathing and heart rate, reducing her anxiety symptoms. Mr. Jones, a retired teacher, suffered from chronic migraines. EMG biofeedback targeting muscle tension in his head and neck significantly reduced the frequency and intensity of his migraines. These are just two examples among many that highlight the transformative potential of biofeedback therapy. From managing chronic pain to overcoming anxiety and improving sleep, biofeedback has helped countless individuals regain control of their health and well-being. Biofeedback therapy offers a powerful and effective approach to managing stress and anxiety. By providing a window into our body's physiological responses, biofeedback empowers us to understand and influence our own well-being. If you're feeling overwhelmed by stress or anxiety, remember that you don't have to suffer in silence. As technology advances, the future of biofeedback therapy looks brighter than ever. We can anticipate more sophisticated and user-friendly devices, making biofeedback more accessible. Imagine wearable sensors providing real-time feedback and personalized recommendations to optimize well-being. AI and machine learning could analyze physiological data, providing personalized insights to enhance treatment effectiveness. Beyond healthcare, biofeedback is poised to play a role in sports performance, education, and workplace wellness. Biofeedback can promote stress reduction, increase productivity, and foster a healthier work environment. Biofeedback therapy offers a powerful approach to managing stress and anxiety. By understanding our body's physiological responses, biofeedback empowers us to influence our well-being. If you're feeling overwhelmed, biofeedback therapy can provide the tools and techniques to regain control of your health. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional for personalized guidance and treatment.